All right, let's continue with our geography notes for erosion. Okay, I hope you have pen and paper ready with you and taking down the notes. And the topic is erosion and deposition. Fine, take the notes. Let's complete quickly. Erosion involves acquisition and transportation of rock debris. And rock is broken by weathering. Okay. The erosional agents such as what? Running water, underground water, what else? Wind, right? Wind we have, then glaciers, right? Waves carry the debris. Right? Abrasion also breaks rocks during transportation. Okay, therefore, weathering is not the only way to break rocks. Fine. Take a separate paragraph, single line. Hence, weathering is not a, this is very important, prerequisite for erosion. Put a star and P. Okay, let's try a little bit about abrasion also, right? They usually ask is star P abrasion. Abrasion or corrosion. Put a little line on A because corrosion and corrosion, they're the most confusing item. Corrosion is about chemical reaction, solutions. Corrosion, A. Corrosion is about physical breakage of rocks. Okay, abrasion or corrosion happens during transportation. Okay, write down. The rocks are carried in three ways. What are the three ways? Solution, We know minerals dissolve in water, right? The calcium carbonate, etc. Suspension, like minute particles suspended in water. And third is traction load. Traction load, nothing but big rocks moving along the surface. The water, what happens? And on the river bed, right? On the river bed, the water moves along the surface on the river bed. It is traction load. Okay. The rock debris collide with each other, causing breakages. Causing breakages. So they are not only break, or they also are rounding up of rock edges. Fine. This is main reason behind pebble formation. Usually in KS, right, they usually ask this question of observational in nature, very common sense in nature, like why ice floats, something like that. Why cream? What is a milk cream floats, right? So these kind of questions they ask. One of the such case questions, something why what is the reason for formation of pebbles? Usually see the river beds, right? They'll be rounded, very smooth pebbles, which we use in our homes also for decorative purposes, right? Who is making that, like smoothing out the edges? That's all due to thanks to abrasions or corrosions, right? All right. Okay, next come to one more topic. Take the next paragraph. Erosion is largely responsible for continuous changes in Earth surface, right? Largely responsible, like among, this is among three denudation processes. What is that? Weathering, mass wasting, and erosion. Largely responsible. Okay. Next, the erosional agents which are climatic controlled are, what are those? Running water. We saw that, right? Underground water, no, because it's under the surface. There's no influence of temperature and precipitation. That's the main climate. Climate means that one, right? Running water, so solid form, glaciers, and then wind. They are different states of water. right? Running water is liquid, glacier is solid, wind is gaseous. Even among these three, glaciers are most effective form of erosion. I told you, right? Glaciers will erode the entire mountains, forming big, shallow spaces for lakes to get formed. Okay. Next, erosion is all due to kinetic energy. E is equal to half mv square. What is m? M is mass, v is velocity. Okay. Though glaciers are very slow in motion, it is their enormous mass which results in high kinetic energy. So okay. Next is deposition. As and when erosional agents lose kinetic energy, the rock debris are shedded off. This is deposition. Note that the erosional agents are just a gradational with no direct cause for deposition. Like because they lose energy, the side effect is this load is deposited. They don't purposely do this, right, as they do in erosion. Right? Okay. So tomorrow we'll see about soil formations, another important topic for prelims. Fine. I'll wait for a couple of minutes. If anything is there, let's discuss, or we can find out.